In this video, I'll guide you through how to show recently viewed products in Klaviyo. If you're using Klaviyo for your email marketing, you know how important it is to personalize content for your subscribers. Showing recently viewed products can significantly enhance user engagement by reminding them of products they've shown interest in but haven't yet purchased. Let's dive right into how you can set this up. First, we'll begin by navigating to the right section of your Klaviyo dashboard. You'll want to start by going to the Content tab. From there, hover over to Products and then select Manage Product Feeds. This area is where you'll have control over how products are displayed to your customers, and it's a crucial step in personalizing their shopping experience. Once you're in the Manage Product Feeds section, you'll notice an option to Create Product Feed. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll set up the feed that will showcase the recently viewed products to your customers. When you create a product feed, you're essentially designing a dynamic list of products that can adapt based on your customers' behaviors. Now, it's time to give your product feed a name. You might want to choose something descriptive like Recently Viewed Feed or Recently Viewed Feed to keep it straightforward and easy to identify later on. Naming your feed appropriately is a small but helpful step to keep your dashboard organized, especially if you plan on creating multiple feeds in the future. After naming your feed, you'll see an option that asks, what products should the customers view first? Here, you should select products a customer has recently viewed. This setting ensures that your feed is specifically tailored to show items that your customers have already shown interest in. By displaying these products prominently, you're keeping them fresh in the minds of your customers, which can be a powerful motivator for making a purchase. But what if a customer hasn't viewed any products yet? This is where a fallback option comes into play. Choosing a fallback is like having a backup plan. You can select something like bestsellers, which will then display your top-selling products if there are no recently viewed items to show. This way, you're still providing valuable content to your customers, encouraging them to explore more of what you offer. Once you've made these selections, the final step is to click Save Product Feed. This action finalizes your settings and activates the recently viewed product feature. Now, whenever your customers visit your emails or website, they'll see a personalized selection of products they've interacted with, making it more likely for them to follow through with a purchase. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a product feed in Klaviyo to show recently viewed products. By following these steps, you're enhancing the shopping experience for your customers and potentially boosting your conversion rates. Remember, personalization is key in today's digital shopping environment, and Klaviyo provides the tools to make it happen smoothly. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Be sure to explore more features within Klaviyo to continue optimizing your email marketing strategy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and guides. Happy marketing!